Essay My School. This is essay according to the level of grade 1 and grade 2 and also can write the students of grade 3. And if you want to write the essay in a paragraph, you can change this into paragraph. So let's start. My school name is your school name. Write here your school name. It is located in which area it is located you can write. ये कहाँ पर वाक़ है? It is located in Lahore, in Karachi. It has a large building. Its playground is very big. My school has a beautiful and a huge library. Or you also can write, my school has a big library. My school has a large library. My school has a huge library. If you want to make this sentence short. There are 15 rooms and a principal office. There are 15 rooms and a principal office in my school. If you want to write, you can add it here. There are 25 teachers and 150 students in my school. My school has a computer lab and also has a science lab. And you also can write, my school has a computer and science lab. My teachers are very hardworking. Our principal, the name of principal you can write here. Our principal is very kind. We celebrate all the national events in my school with great zeal. zeal मतलब पुरजोश तरीके से. हम अपने स्कूल में तमाम कौमी त्यौहार, कौमी इवेंट्स जितने भी होते हैं वो बहुत पुरजोश तरीके से सेलिब्रेट करना, मनाते हैं, मनाना. I love my school very much. So every student can change this, can write the school name, the area name, and he can change the strength of teacher and also the strength of students and the room according to his or her school. So this is the essay on my school that everyone can write it. It's very easy and short. If you want to skip the sentences, you can skip one or two, and if you want to add, you can also add the sentences in it. It's your choice. It's up to you.